So here in Australia, most people are working from home as much as they can. I'm here in Sydney. This is my office where I'll probably be for a little while now. I ran my last training course in Sydney last week. We ran a public session on dashboards and financial modelling. We had such a fantastic day, and I really feel like that's probably going to be the last in-person session that I'll be able to run for a little while now. I absolutely love the face-to-face, you know, that energy that you get in the room when everybody gets together and everybody's kind of brainstorming ideas. So we probably won't be able to do that for a while. We ran a Sydney meetup session on Wednesday night. I was able to record that and get that on YouTube. For our meetup sessions that we've got planned for Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane, I had some fantastic speakers lined up. We may not be able to run those sessions, or we probably won't be able to run all of them face to face. So I've got plans in place to get those live streamed so that we'll still be able to get the content out to you. So the good news is that lots more people will be able to access the content that we had planned. So stay tuned. I'll be trying to sort of get all of that online as much as possible. I'll be doing lots more online stuff, more webinars. So keep an eye out for that. Yeah, last year I just had such an amazing year. Just some of the seminars that I ran, I was in, I was in Kuwait and Abu Dhabi and Dubai and Kuala Lumpur and South Korea and Aruba and Samoa and Vanuatu, I think. Brunei as well. I think there was just loads of some fantastic places I got to go to, and I had some incredible, even more exciting places planned for this year. Probably a lot of them won't be going ahead. So I'll be, I'll be here and I'll be doing as much as I can online. So stay tuned and stay safe, everyone. See you soon.